Welcome back, my friends, to another episode of Master Your Life, the guide to self-improvement. Today, I want to address a common challenge that many of us face: feeling stuck, unfulfilled, or uncertain about our life's direction. If you've ever found yourself asking, "Is this all there is?" or "How can I make a positive change?" then this episode is for you. In our fast-paced, hyper-connected world, it's easy to get caught up in the daily grind and lose sight of our true passions, dreams, and purpose. We often find ourselves on autopilot, going through the motions without a clear sense of direction or fulfillment. But deep down, we know there's more to life than just surviving. The problem lies in a lack of self-awareness and intentionality. We haven't taken the time to reflect on our values, interests, and aspirations. We haven't set clear goals or developed a roadmap to guide us towards a meaningful and fulfilling life. And as a result, we feel stuck, uninspired, and disconnected from our true selves. But fear not, my friends, for there is a solution. Self-improvement is the key to unlocking your full potential and designing a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. It's about taking deliberate actions to cultivate the skills, mindset, and habits necessary for personal growth and success. The first step towards self-improvement is self-reflection. Take the time to understand yourself, your strengths, weaknesses, passions, and values. Explore what truly brings you joy and fulfillment. Ask yourself questions and journal your thoughts to gain clarity on what you want out of life. Once you have a clearer sense of your aspirations, it's time to set meaningful goals. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals. Break them down into actionable steps and create a plan to achieve them. Remember, small, consistent actions can lead to significant progress. Next, focus on developing a growth mindset. Embrace challenges, view setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth, and cultivate a positive attitude towards yourself and your abilities. Believe that you have the power to learn, adapt, and improve in any area of your life. Seek out knowledge and surround yourself with positive influences. Read books, listen to podcasts like this one, and engage in conversations with like-minded individuals who inspire and uplift you. Continuous learning and personal development are vital to your growth journey. Finally, practice self-care and prioritize your well-being. Take care of your physical, mental, and emotional health. Nurture your relationships, engage in activities that bring you joy, and set boundaries to protect your time and energy. Remember, self-improvement is not just about achieving external success, but also about cultivating inner harmony and balance. My dear listeners, self-improvement is a lifelong journey. It's about embracing growth, stepping out of your comfort zone, and consistently challenging yourself. Remember that change takes time, so be patient and kind to yourself along the way. You have the power to master your life and create the future you desire. Start today by taking that first step towards self-improvement. Reflect, set goals, develop a growth mindset, seek knowledge, and prioritize self-care. The path to personal fulfillment and success begins with you. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Master Your Life, the guide to self-improvement. Remember to tune in next time, where we'll explore specific strategies and techniques to help you accelerate your personal growth and create the life you deserve. This is Tony, your guide on this transformative journey, signing off. Remember, you have what it takes to master your life.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.